Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS Kinesis data streams tutorials step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log in using your AWS account credentials. Once logged in, search for Kinesis in the search bar at the top. Select Kinesis from the drop-down menu. In the Kinesis dashboard, locate the Data Streams option on the left-hand side. Click on Data Streams to view your existing streams or create a new one. To create a new data stream, click on the Create Data Stream button. Enter a name for your data stream in the provided field. Specify the number of shards. Review the configuration settings and click Create Data Stream. Once your stream is created, you will see it listed on the dashboard. Configure the destination where you want to send your data, such as Amazon S3 or Redshift. Set any additional options as needed for your delivery stream. Monitor your stream to ensure data is flowing as expected. You can access detailed metrics and logs in the AWS Management Console. This will help you analyze the performance of your Kinesis data streams. Continue to explore additional tutorials for more advanced features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.